Hey class, today we're going to talk about phonics. I love phonics. It's one of my favorite things to teach. And our phonics for this week are all words that have the short O, U, and E sound in them. And you can see right here on the screen are our spelling words for the week. Let's all read them together. The first one is yes. Number 2, job. Number 3, hug. Number 4, rest. Number 5, frog. Number 6, hum. Number 7, left. Number 8, melt. Number 9, plum. Number 10, shut. Number 11, net. Number 12, dot. And these words down here are just our review words. They're from our word list last week that we'll just review. The review words this week are glad, fix, jam, and list. So today you're going to see in the next slide a little assignment that looks like this. This column says words with short O. You're going to look over here under our basic spelling word list, and you're going to find all the words that have the short O sound. Like job. Job makes the short O sound. You would come over here and type J-O-B right here under words with short O, job. This one says words with short U. Let's look over here and find one of our spelling words that has a short U sound. Is it yes? Does yes have the short U sound? No. Let's look at hug. Hug. Hug has the short U sound. So you're going to put H-U-G. Type it right here under words with short U. This one says words with short E. S sound. Let's look over here. What about yes? Yes. Does that have a short E sound? Yes, it does. So right here you'll type Y-E-S, yes. So remember short O, U, and E. You can spell the short O sound with O as in frog. You can spell the short U sound with U as in hug. And you can spell the short E sound with E as in net. So this says write each basic spelling word in the correct column. So that's what you'll do on the next slide. You'll click over and you'll put all of the spelling words in the correct column they go in. Make sure you're listening for the short O, which is O as in frog, ah, ah, ah. The short U as in hug, and the short E as in net, eh. You're listening for those sounds, and then you'll type the words in the correct column. Good luck!